हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स। मैं हूं अनुराधा और आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं 7 ऐसे ट्रिक्स जिसके थ्रू आप एसएसबी के किसी भी ग्रुप डिस्कशन में सबसे ज्यादा मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं ये 7 ट्रिक्स क्या है। फर्स्ट ट्रिक इज हैंड मूवमेंट इन अ कैंडिड वे। व्हेन इवन यू आर इन अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन, आपको अपने हाथों को कंट्रोल में रखना है। अ माइल्ड एंड कैंडिड मूवमेंट इज अलाउड, but strong and interrupting movement will give you negative points. Less confident and confusing personality show such traits. So therefore, आपको hand gesture जितना कम हो सके use करना है अपने group discussion में. Okay? Next trick is to raise voice rather than shouting. While the discussion is going on and a tense point is there in the discussion, many candidates lose their patience and start shouting out their points, which messes up their entire GD. So you have to be patient and don't indulge in shouting. Shouting in discussion is not at all allowed. In fact, you can raise your voice a bit, but do not yell or shout to make the other people listen to your points. That will also be counted as a very negative quality. Next is maintain politeness. आप अपनी फेलो मेट्स के साथ, ग्रुप मेंबर्स के साथ जितना ज्यादा पोलाइटली रिस्पेक्टफुली बात करोगे, उतना ज्यादा आपके ये पॉजिटिव ट्रेट्स को मार्क किया जाएगा. डू नॉट speed up your voice, do not shout, do not demean others, do not mock them, do not laugh at them, or do not fight with them, right? So you have to be very respectful, very polite when you are talking with them. Please remember that they are your fellow, or they are going to be your future colleagues. Okay, so talk to them formally. Next trick that can get you more marks in SSB GD is to listen and reply carefully. हमें लगता है GD में हम जितना ज्यादा बोलेंगे, पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे, उतना ज्यादा हमें मार्क्स मिलेगा. Of course it's true, but it's similarly true if you listen to others and you try to understand others' viewpoints. A perfect discussion technique is to listen to the candidates and then reply to it humbly, matching the topic of the discussion. Your reply must match the sequence of comments or viewpoints which are raised by other candidates. Irrelevant or out of topic discussion will be useless and time wasting. The next trick that you need to follow is the point should be genuine, whichever point you are giving, and bold rather than long. बहुत टाइम क्या होता है, कैंडिडेट्स बहुत से लंबे लंबे प्रवचन टाइप, लेक्चर टाइप कमेंट्स देते हैं या व्यू पॉइंट्स देते हैं. इससे क्रूशियल टाइम ऑफ डिस्कशन इज वेस्टेड. सो यू हैव टू कीप योर पॉइंट शॉर्ट, crisp and very very strong and convincing. Okay, your idea and logic is preferred over your respective language. So make sure that you keep your viewpoints as short as possible. Try to complete your point within 1 minute. Next trick that you need to inculcate, you need to use to get more marks in GD is to be logical and use your social knowledge. These two things always wins. Bold, logical and knowledgeful comments are the base of any discussion. Repetition and soulless comments leaves negative impact. Social knowledge, day-to-day experiences with deep self-analysis can construct this personality. The last but not the least trick to get more marks in SSB group discussion is to take initiative to eradicate chaos and provide chances to introverts. Chaos is a very common thing in GD, है ना? फिश मार्केट सिचुएशन वगैरह होता है, चाहे वो स्क्रीनिंग जीडी में हो या फिर ग्रुप टास्क के जीडी में हो. It's not any awkward thing or unusual thing, but you should take initiative to control this chaos and make the group come back to the discussion. This will show your initiative and motivation to motivate the others or encourage others to come back to the GD. Another point to check is to give chance to introverts who are passive in the discussion, who wants to speak but they are not getting the chance to speak. You have to break the sequence and give them a chance to share their points and ideas. These will be very very positive and this will help you to get maximum marks and very good marks in your SSB group discussion. So I hope that you have got to know now what tricks you can use or how you can get more marks in your SSB group discussion. ऐसे अगर आप अपनी SSB interview के लिए prepare करना चाहते हैं, make sure you join our SSB interview online course, by which you can also join our live classes which takes place every day and in different months in different batches. Also, if you're preparing for any other written defense exam, उसके लिए भी courses आपको हमारे ऐप में मिल जाएंगे. तो आज ही आप हमारे SSB क्रैक एग्जाम्स ऐप को डाउनलोड कीजिए और Warrior 10 का कोड यूज कीजिएगा while you're enrolling for any course so that you get 10% discount on the courses. That was it from my side. Hope to see you very soon. Till then, stay tuned with us and always stay positive and motivated. जय हिंद.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें। आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।